Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the syllabus that is revised by CBSE for class 12th. Children, the curriculum refers to the lessons and the academic content to be taught to the learner in the school. So, in empirical terms, it may be regarded as the sum total of a planned set of educational experiences provided to a learner by a school. It encompasses general objectives of learning, courses of study, subject wise instructional objectives and content, pedagogical practices, and much more. Assessment guidelines, that is also very important. So, children, the curriculum prescribed by CBSE strives to provide ample scope for physical, intellectual, and social development of ours. And the curriculum envisage individualized personal learning acumen and seeks to explore the potential of students in acquiring substantial knowledge and skills through academic rigors with greater academic orientation and research skills in core academic areas. Students would involve, as CBSE supposes, in the self esteem and having true values and principles in their life. So, let's discuss the revised syllabus for us. Children, it is concentrating on three skills that are required for a 21st century learner: learning skills, literary skill, literacy skills, and life skills. It also talks about the distribution of the periods for the physical education and work experience. For this, children, you will be able to get the grades in the board mark sheet. So, these grades will be under the heading of games, physical fitness, seva, health, and activity card. Then, children, we are having subject enrichment activity also this year. For 20 marks, you will be assessed internally, in which storytelling competition, reading week, fastest reading contest, Aryabhat challenge, then CBSE Heritage India quiz, science exhibitions, science literary promotion test, expression series, eco club activities, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, then Bharat Shresht Bharat, Ek Bharat Shresht Bharat, then the Ekta Divas, Inter School Board Competition, Fit India School Week, and CBSE Inter School Sports and Games Competitions, International Day of Yoga, Maitri, Maitri Bhasha Divas. So, all these things are included, and that is why we are asking you again and again to become the part of these programs, especially the expression series. So, all these things will be included for the subject enrichment activity, or you can call the internal assessment program. These are the deleted topics, children. Before that, we are going to see the revised syllabus that has come. For the reading comprehension, initially we were having two passages, one for note making and one for only comprehension. This time it is multiple choice questions based on one unseen passage to assess comprehension and inference, vocabulary and inference of meaning, and etc. Whatever is written here. The passage may be factual, descriptive, or literary. 10 out of 11 questions to be done. So it will be 10 marks. Then again, one question unseen CBSE based factual passage will be given. This will be the second question, and this will also come for 10 marks. So the combined word limit for both the passages will be 750 words, and this part, that is section A, will be comprised of 20 marks. Then for the literature, we are having again 20 marks. Multiple choice questions will be there based on the poem as well as lesson, and that will be of 8 marks. Then multiple choice questions based on poetry extract from the book from Flamingo, it will be 4. And then text based questions to assess comprehension, analysis, inference from Flamingo and Vistas. 8 out of 10 questions to be done. That will be 8 marks. Next is subjective questions. For writing section we are having 16 marks, and the first is short writing task, notice or advertisements up to 50 words. 1 out of 2 you will have to attempt. Then short writing task again, formal informal invitation. Then letter writing will be there. For the letter writing we are having one will be able to write in 120 to 150 words, and it will be coming for 5 marks this year. Then next question, question number 4 will be article report writing, descriptive and analytical in nature it would be, and this will also come for 5 marks. Then for the literature section we are having 24 marks, and for this 24 marks 5 short answer type questions will be there out of 6 from prose and poetry from book from Flamingo, 2 short answer type questions out of 3 from prose Vistas to be answered, and 1 long answer type from Flamingo and the other long answer type from Vistas. So this is the question paper designed for 2020-21. So reading comprehension will be coming for 20 marks, creative writing skills will be coming for 16 marks, and literature has been given more importance this year, that will be for 44 marks. Then 20 marks for internal assessment of listening and speaking skills, and the subject enrichment activity that we have discussed. These are the deleted topics, children. For reading section, note making and summarizing is deleted for you. From Flamingo, Poets and Pancakes, the interview, Going Places. These 3 lessons are deducted, and poem Roadside Stand has been deducted. From Vistas, chapter number 2, The Tiger King has been deducted. Chapter number 3, Journey to the End of the Earth is deducted. Then the last lesson from Vistas, Memories of Childhood, is also deducted. From the writing section, poster making is deducted. Then business or official letters for making inquiries, registering complaints, asking for and giving orders and sending replies has been deducted. Then speech and debate is also deducted. Children, the writing, most of the topics we have done, but one or the other day, one fine day in your life, they are going to help you out, and nothing is worthless or useless. Thank you and have a nice day. Keep it reserved and note down beautifully and specifyingly each and everything in your note copy.